In the parking lot, pussy. Semper Fi, put 'em up, I'm ready for a fight. These First Amendment rights are guaranteed to me regardless if I say shit you don't like. So every night I grab that mic, I spit shit just for spite. If I can put some plans... Be reset. I'm just trying to handle this matter here today, Judge. I'm a very busy man, as are you.
I understand it, Mr. Heron, but I'm doing because I don't have...
Then I will speak with the prosecution, but we'll see what they can do, Judge. Thank you very much.
Have a good morning.
Sir.
Yes.
Would you like to drop the charges, please?
I am not going to drop the charges until I fully review the facts of your case.
No. I will do it. Okay, and why have you not fully reviewed the facts of the case here today?
Please. Turn that off, please.
Well, why have you not fully reviewed the facts as of thus far?
Please don't have that camera on me, please.
I'm just trying to make sure that I have a proper record, that's all.
You can point it downwards if you want. Just don't put his face in.
Why not? Is he ashamed of what he's doing? Attempting to prosecute without any evidence?
I have plenty of evidence. I have officer testimony. I have a police report.
I see.
And this is what we have. This is a police report indicating what you did.
Okay, so why have you refused to respond to the Brady and Discovery? You clearly have the motion.
Yes, it's a motion to dismiss, and I'm not going to dismiss.
And the motion for discovery, why have you failed to respond to...
Because you have to look under our criminal code 3914 that you are not entitled to any discovery. The only discovery that you're entitled to is to come look at our file. You're not entitled to take any copies of this.
All right, well, why have you failed to actually submit any evidence satisfying the element of jurisdiction? Do you only have police statements, or do you have any evidence of jurisdiction?
Sir, the offense committed in Bexar County, that's enough jurisdiction.
Again, you're using logical fallacy and not actually clarifying. I'm asking, have you submitted any evidence satisfying the element of jurisdiction?
What jurisdiction are you referring to?
Whatever jurisdiction you're saying that you have.
The jurisdiction I have is over Bexar County, the state of Texas.
Okay, and have you submitted any jurisdiction that because I am physically located in a geographical position that your codes and statutes, constitution, and laws are applicable?
Yes, you were standing right now in Bexar County, Texas. You were arrested in Bexar County,
What are you clarifying Bexar County, Texas as?
The geography that you were arrested in the city of San Antonio. You were arrested by the city of San Antonio police.
Are you clarifying that Bexar County is the ground that we walk on?
Mr. Heron, this is totally unproductive. This is not, I'll give you an opportunity to confer to see if you have any discovery.
I'm still trying to clarify with him, Judge, if he...
Go research the law, and you will figure out what the jurisdiction is.
Well, do I have the right to, be represented here today?
Yes.
If I so wish?
Yeah, you can get a court-appointed attorney if you'd like, if you qualify.
Okay, well, in order to go that route and determine if I actually need to defend myself with representation, I need to first get clarification on what you're stating. I'm trying to find out exactly what you're
Sir, I can prove
stating.
the elements of the offense of obstruction of a highway by beyond a reasonable doubt. The fact is, though, that I could have an officer come in and testify and say on the stand that he arrested you in Bexar County, Texas is more than enough for a jury to come back with a guilty verdict.
I'm just trying to find out and see if you have submitted any evidence satisfying your element.
So the evidence comes from testimony of witnesses.
The evidence comes from testimony of witnesses?
Yes.
So do they have personal first-hand knowledge
Yes,
of,
they have
the code's applicability?
Yes, they do.
Really?
I think our work is done here, sir. You are not, you were asking about jurisdiction. Do you have any other questions that you wish to confer about?
Is that the only evidence of jurisdiction that you're relying on? Is a witness? Is testimony of an officer?
More than enough.
That's what you're relying on?
That is exactly what I'm relying on.
And am I going to get any copies of any other evidence that you have that you're going to respond to?
Pardon?
Do you have any evidence that shows what the relevance to the motion and the Brady request?
Sir, Brady is an ongoing duty. We are not aware of any Brady violations at this time.
Okay, and how about the discovery request? Do you have any of those informations in your packet?
As I said to you, sir, you are entitled to read a copy of the police report in our file. That is the only discovery that you are entitled to. If you would like to read a copy of the police...
Is that the only evidence of jurisdiction that you have?
At this time, it is. If you would like, then it sounds like you want a trial. If you want...
No, I'm not trying to go to trial. I would love to plead guilty. I have an unsigned plea of guilt. I'll sign. I'll submit it to the court. Your job is easy. I'm just wanting to see if you've submitted any evidence satisfying the element of jurisdiction, yes or no?
Mr. Heron, they haven't at this time because I don't have a file. When the file comes, it will have a sworn information in it, and that will be the basis of the jurisdiction. It will be a sworn allegation that some violation of the laws of the state of Texas occurred here in Bear County on X date by Y person. X date being the 16th, Y person being you.
Well, why have they failed to submit any evidence thus far? How is it ethical to impose upon someone without any evidence and keeping a bond over me? Judge, I moved to quash the bond so we may clear up this, this issue.
Mr. Heron, I've already explained to you what's going to happen. If I grant your motion to dismiss, they refile the case, you're going to get rearrested. I'm trying to avoid doing that, but I have to reset your case for 30 days.
Well, I move that you stipulate to be with prejudice. That you dismiss the case and stipulate it to be with prejudice, Judge.
You can't make it be with prejudice. I haven't heard any reason to make it prejudice.
Because they have absolutely no evidence at this point to impose upon me. All they have is just, opinions of men in uniform. All they have is the fact that they have a gun and that they can enforce things. That's all that they have. They don't have any ethical background to go ahead and justify their claims. And they don't have any paperwork that I have seen that can justify their claims.
Would you like to file another case, Mr. Appelbaum? I'll be happy to dismiss this.
No, Judge, I think we're going to stick with this one now. But I mean, unless we want to do contempt of court.
Do that the minute you want to. Come up here and sign your reset. Go on about your business.
Judge, I'm simply trying to handle this matter here today.
This is a court order. Come up here, sign your reset, go about your business. You may come back and present any motions you want to present at the next setting, which will be on November, I'm sorry, when's the next setting?
Well,
December 9th.
Judge, I'm simply just trying to handle this matter here today to get
You
clarification.
cannot handle this matter today. I've already denied your motions to dismiss. I've explained to you I have no court file. Sign this and come back on December 9th.
Respectfully, Judge, I'm just trying to clarify. If I don't sign that,
Clarifications are done now. This is your notice of the next setting. Your case is, here, take this. You don't even have to sign it. Okay, put it back in the file. The case is reset till November, December.
well, objection, point of clarification, Judge. I don't wish to be reset. I'm simply trying to handle this matter here today. Do I not have the right to handle this matter here today?
You cannot handle this matter today. I don't have the file. I'm not going to have a file for a while. I'll have a file on December 9th. You can explore everything you want.
Well, Judge, I moved to quash the bond then, so I don't have to worry about evidence
If I
imposing.
quash your bond, you go back to jail.
Not if you say that it's not ethical to place me in jail, Judge.
I don't have any information before me to determine.
If you have no evidence in front of you, how are you denying my motion to dismiss? I thought this was supposed to be a place
Because
of
as
equals and not a
I've
star
already
chamber,
explained-
Judge.
Okay, Mr. Chairman. As I've already explained to you, the state is being given a reasonable time to get the file prepared.
And what do you declare as reasonable time?
30 more days from now is reasonable time.
Why are they continuing to get ample time? Judge, that shows a bias from on your end
Mr. Aaron,
that the prosecution is getting
You're
time.
setting your excuse. You may leave now.
Am I being threatened out of the court, Judge?
I'm
go.
telling you that
Why is the bailiff
Let's go, sir.
putting your hands on me? Please don't touch me, sir.
I'm escorting you out of the courtroom.
Please don't touch me. I'm just trying to find out from the
Let's
judge.
go.
Please, sir,
Judge
don't
said
touch
you're
me.
done. Let's go.
Why are you touching me,
Please
Judge?
step out
Why
of
are
the
you
courtroom.
touching me? Why are
Please
you
step out of the
placing your
courtroom.
hands
You
on
can
me?
Step out of the courtroom.
Don't place your hands on me.
Step out of the courtroom.
Do
then.
not place your hands on me, sir. I feel threatened.
Step out of the courtroom.
Do not place your hands
Step out
on
of the
me.
courtroom.
Name and badge number.
You can see it right now on your camera. Step out of the courtroom. That's right. Step out of
Badge
the
number,
courtroom.
sir. Don't touch me.
Step out of the courtroom.
Sir, do
Step
not
out of the
touch
courtroom.
me. Badge
go.
number. I'm just trying to get your badge
Let's go.
number.
Let's go.
2898,
Let's
or is
go.
that a 9?
Let's go. Come on.
If you would articulate, I'd be on my
go.
way.
Let's go.
If you would articulate, I'd be
Let's
on
go.
my way. Can I have your name and badge number, please?
635. Send me a perimeter to 44.
Can I have your name and badge number? Please. I just like
Let's
the
go.
name and badge numbers of the man who assaulted me.
The judge said your business is done. You have no business in the courtroom. Let's go.
I'm not in the courtroom, but now
Let's
I'm
go.
trying to find out the name of the man who assaulted me.
Let's
May
go.
I have your name, please?
Let's go.
Can I have your name and badge number,
You have
please?
it on camera. Let's go.
I don't have your badge. I don't have your badge
You
number.
have it on
I cannot
camera.
see
Let's
it.
go.
It's
It's on
mistruth.
camera. Let's go.
It's
We don't have an argument, me and you. Let's go.
you assaulted me, sir.
I did not assault you. Let's
Your
go.
hands are on me now,
That's
and you
right,
are
because
touching
you're
me.
refusing my orders to leave
What lawful authority do you have,
because the
sir?
judge is done with your business. You're done
Can I
with
get your name
business.
and badge number, and I will be?
You have it.
Name and badge number,
You
and I
have
will
it.
be.
You
Please
have it.
take
Let's
your
go.
hands off me.
You can either
Could you
take the
articulate
elevator or
your
you can
number?
take the stairs. Let's go.
I don't feel safe with
Let's
you,
go.
please.
I don't-
I'm going down the stairs. I thought you
Okay,
gave me
fine.
another
Let's go.
chance.
Let's go then.
Don't get your hands off
Let's
me.
go.
Fucking pig. See, everybody, this is the justice that you deal with whenever you try to get things clarified. You got these fat fucks behind you that, assault you because they have a badge and a gun and a taser. They'll assault you, they'll escort you out, they'll do whatever they want. They'll go ahead and raise hustle because you know what? They just follow orders. They're blind, they're ignorant. That's it, they just follow orders, do what they want. Assault people, push people around.
You know me, right, Eric?
Personal escorts all the way out. From these people, these criminals, these fucking thugs that assault you. All of these fuckers behind us. Take a look at this freedom. Take a look at the freedom. Yeah, justice looks more like just us. Here, in this day and age, in this police state, it doesn't matter who's gonna be president. It doesn't matter who you wanna vote for, because your vote doesn't matter. All that matters is the blue line, that thin blue line of these criminals, these thugs, these fucking gangsters behind me. See them following me? Yeah, I know it's not good to turn your back on a criminal, but you know what? Let them shoot you in the face. Let them shoot me in the back. It's fine. It's okay, YouTube. Thank you very much. Oh, this is gonna be great. I am pretty angry.
You have a wonderful day, sir.
Yeah, fuck you. There's the finger, asshole. Freedom of speech. Go fuck yourself.
Really?
Go fuck yourself. Woo! Oh yeah! Liberty! Freedom is great! Thin blue line! Thin blue line! All lives matter!